Hey friends, happy holidays, let's make some eggnog. December and Christmas is definitely the time of year to be making eggnog. And today I want to show you how to make a single serving of eggnog in your cocktail shaker. I saw this recipe on Anders Erikson's channel and I just immediately had to go try and make one myself. Now there are countless ways to make eggnog. Some people even age their eggnog for more than a year. And typically you would make a lot, enough to share with everybody. But this one is perfect if you just want to make it in 10 minutes and just enjoy a single serving for yourself. For this recipe, you are going to need some dark rum. I am going to be using Old Sam's Demerara rum. You're going to need some Demerara or brown sugar syrup. And you're going to have to choose a nice sherry or even a port. I'm using Taylor Fladgate 10-year. And of course, an egg. You can't have eggnog without an egg. Some heavy cream or some half and half, and some cinnamon or nutmeg for garnish. Anyways, let's start mixing. First things first, let's start with our egg. Do your egg first. You don't want to be fishing shells out of your whole drink. Next to our shaker, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our Demerara rum, a whole ounce of our Demerara syrup or brown sugar syrup, 2 ounces of our heavy cream, and then just 1/2 ounce of your sherry or port. This one I find is optional, but if you have some, definitely go and add. It's gonna add some lovely wine undertones, just an extra depth of flavor. Now before you go and grab your ice, we're gonna give this a nice dry shake. This is gonna break up the egg and sort of like emulsify and expand. When you're doing a dry shake, make sure you're holding this really tight, because eggs, once they're shaken, they want to expand, and this can open up and, you can make a mess. So hold it really tight and give it a nice dry shake for 10 minutes. 10 seconds. Now go grab your ice and give this another shake for another 10 to 15 seconds. When it comes to eggnog, you gotta use a fancy glass. I'm using this beautiful goblet I found. And we're gonna give that a nice double strength because we don't want big chunks of ice in our drink. And for garnish, you can either go with some fresh nutmeg or even some freshly grated cinnamon. Okay, let's give our eggnog a taste. Ooh, so much cinnamon on the nose. Ooh, wow. It's just lovely. It's so thick and creamy. The port is such an undertone that you wouldn't even notice it's there unless somebody told you it is, but it still just adds a beautiful touch to it. So creamy too. Rum is delicious in eggnog. There are numerous ways to make eggnog too. You can use bourbon, you can use brandy, you can do a mix of one of those if you like it. Thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Tell me in the comments below how you make your eggnog, and maybe I'll give that a try next year. Until next time, cheers and Merry Christmas.